Hello, we are students from Tech High Tech Engineering College. Our title is Smart Video Surveillance Systems and Image Capturing using Android smartphones with GCM Alert. Our guide is Mr. Shivakumar. Video surveillance systems have become increasingly popular in the recent years. The number of cameras installed in public areas have become increasingly popular these days. In the existing system, we have already seen that the camera captures the motion of an object in the form of a video and stores it in the server. Now this stored video can only be retrieved after a particular amount of time, and we need a person to monitor this entire system. We don't get to know the information about that crime at that particular instance. So to overcome this problem in our proposed system, let's take an example of a bank. Let's consider the bank on a non-functional day or a holiday. Suppose the camera is on that particular day and a person enters. The motion of that person is captured, and that captured image is sent to the admins or the organization head's Android mobile phone via GCM, which is called the Google Cloud Messaging Service. The advantages of this proposed system is that we get to know about the crime at that instance of time, and then we need a person to monitor this entire system, and the accuracy of the captured image is also high. The softwares, the operating system we use is Windows XP. The technology used is Android 2.2. We use an integrated development environment which we are working on Eclipse, and then emulators are AVD, and we use the entire thing is called Android Software Development Kit. These are the hardware requirements. This is the use case diagram, class diagram, activity diagram, sequence diagram, collaboration diagram, and this is the system architecture. As you can see here, we have a webcam in the first figure on the left hand side. Now this webcam captures the motion of the object, and we have captured an image of a theft happening in the bank. Now the captured image is sent to the server, and the server automatically directs that captured image to the admin's Android mobile. Now this is what takes place in our proposed system.
So the main aim of our project is to detect the crime at that instant. So the project is divided into 4 modules. Let me explain one by one. First module is detecting image using Cauchy distribution model. The main aim of this module is to detect the motion in a particular area. So when a camera gets on, it will capture the image of the room in the form of video. Each video is divided into 24 frames, and the frames are compared each other. When this comparison happens, the color image of the video is converted into black and white image, which in turn has only 2 values, 0 and 1. This conversion happens because to reduce the computation time. Next is sending GCM alert. So when the image is detected, we have to send that image to the Android mobile application. For this communication, we are using GCM, which is a Google Cloud Messaging Service. It is a service that allows you to send data from your server to your user's Android powered device. Next is user authentication for application. So whenever a user installs a new application, he has to authenticate for that application so that he can view the image. For this authentication, the user has to create a Google Cloud Messaging account so that he will be getting a unique project ID. Based on that project ID, the images will be sent to the Android mobile application. Finally, viewing the detected image. So when the motion is detected, the image will be sent to the Android mobile application. If the user will be getting the notification in his mobile. If he enters with the correct username and password, he will be getting the URL of the image. So by pressing the URL of that URL, he will be viewing the image of the detected motion. So these are the sample screenshot. First, the camera is detecting the motion in the room. Now, whenever a new mobile in the user's new mobile, whenever he installs the application, he has to first sign up for the application. So when he sign up with the correct details, he will be getting the notification whenever the motion is detected by the camera. So by pressing the notification, he has to enter the username and password which he had already registered. If it is the correct username and password, he will be viewing the URL of that image. By pressing the URL, you can view the image.
And hence I would like to conclude by saying that in our proposed system we overcome the disadvantage of the existing system. Here we save the memory space of the entire system, and also we get to know about the crime at that instance of time. We don't need a person to monitor this entire system. This is our overall project. Thank you for watching.